Hi, this is Atik from RS Design Academy. In this video, I will show you one of the best technique for enhancing your skin in Photoshop. This method is called frequency separation. Let's get started. First of all, I make two copies in the background layer. I am going to rename the top layer as texture and the middle layer is color. Now hide the texture layer and select the color layer. Go to the filter menu and blur, and then select blur and then Gaussian blur. Increase the radius until the texture go away. In this case, I will keep it 8 pixel and then click OK. Next, select the text layer and unhide it, and then go the image and apply image, and then go to the color layer. The layer section is color and channel RGB, and blending option first select subtract, and scale is 2 and offset is 128, and then click OK. Now change the blending mode in the text layer from normal to linear light. Hide the texture layer again and select the color layer. Go to the toolbar and select the mixer brush tool. In the option bar, make sure the brush select the clean brush and weight 8% and load 90% and mix 90% and follow 80%. Now let's use the mixer brush tool and blend the color and make the skin smooth. Take your time and be careful around the edges. Once you are satisfied with the color blending, you select the brush tool and follow and opacity 100% and follow 4% and make sure the symbol is 5 by 5. Symbol take it on 5 by 5, and also select current layer. And then go to the brush menu and select the brush, and then take the symbol bright area from the bright area and paint in the dark area. Here it is. Once you're satisfied, then you turn on the texture layer, and there it. You see what is the different? This is the different. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you the next video. Thank you.